Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This will be a very quick video. This video is very long overdue. This will be a review on I will be looking at my phone to read the product and everything. So the review will be on the wax warmer hair removal kit, home waxing kit with LCD display. This is how the wax warmer will look. Warmer. And then this is how it will come in this box, in another box where you have the boxes beat up. It wasn't beat up in the mail, just so y'all know. But in this box you'll get this the little wax warmer, and then you get the instructions, and then it comes with four hard beads. So you get 2 pink, or I guess it's like a rose color, 2 pinks, and you get 2 greens. I already used like half of the greens. And then it'll come with some popsicle sticks. It'll come with the big popsicle sticks. It didn't come with the small one because I have like my own small ones that I get from Dollar Tree, so I wanted to use the small ones too. But you'll get the big popsicle sticks with the wax warmer. So let's get to how I like it. Okay, so I have started getting waxes probably in 2019, probably like 2015, 2016, but I haven't been going like consistently. Like I'll go for like 1 month, like 1-2 months, and then I'll just like completely stop. But lately, no, since last year I haven't been getting any waxes. And the last time I got in a wax, like my armpits and my bikini area was like very sensitive, so I decided to stop. So this but I always wanted to try waxing at home, because waxing is expensive. It accumulates. I don't have money. Okay, I'm in college. Bills are piling up. I don't have money to be paying for wax every 2 weeks. So I've been wanting to think maybe do wax for myself at home. So this company reached out to me to do a review on their at-home waxing kit. So I decided to try it out. So when you first plug it in, you plug it in. Oh, I forgot to show you that it comes with, that was like an easy cleanup. It comes with it has like a little bowl thingy. So yeah, so when you warming up your wax, when I first got the waxing, to me the instructions is not really clear. So it tells you to pour the whole beads into the pot, and what if I'm only waxing my armpits? I'm not gonna pour the whole beads in there. That's a waste of wax, which I kind of did. I already wasted like half, as you can see. It was just like I just wanted to try it. So what I did was I just poured half, and then let the plug it in. I put it into I put it in a temperature. I don't know what temperature I put it on, but it says here that you could just turn the dial to the maximum temperature, and then it will go to 135 Celsius on the display. And then while you turning the dial, the numbers is adjusting to the temperature to reach to the max that you put it on. So while you have the bead in there, and then you put it to the temperature that you feel is comfortable for you, your bead is getting your bead is melting into the pot, and then it does get hot. So me, what I did was, I don't like the feeling of waxing. I don't like the feeling of the takeoff. So what I did was I used lidocaine, to numb my armpits and my bikini area, but I wanted to test it on my armpits first before I, you know, wanted to go down to do the bikini area. So I did the lidocaine, I let it numb for a moment, and then while it's getting numb, the beads are melting. So I let it melt, and then decided, you know, the temperature was right for me to use it, and, you know, I put the wax on. I had the piece of the wax here, but I don't know where I put it. I probably threw it away. But this stuff, it works. It works. It just hurts. The numbing cream, I don't think the numbing cream worked at all. Like, it didn't numb me at all. So like when I, decided to put the wax on, and I decided to try to take, oh my gosh, it hurt so bad, but it did like pull like most of all of my hair out. But I didn't pull it all the way because I was too scared, and I know it was gonna hurt. So I just took some scissors and just cut around the wax, and then, like, it pulled like all of my waxes. It pulled off all of the hair, like from the actual root, like the follicle. Like, I would recommend you to buy this product. Like, it works. It works. If you can take the pain, then go for it. Wax yourself at home. Do it. For me, like, I think I'm still do it, but I think I want to find like another product that would like help with the numbing product, like help me with the numbing, because I don't like pain, and I don't like feeling the pain of waxing because it hurts. My armpits was sensitive for like a good couple of days. I can't do it. I can't. But this product is very good. It works. So this would be a good at-home waxing kit to save money. If you're able to wax yourself. If you can't and you want somebody else to do it, then fine. Get your mom, your daddy, your sister, your boyfriend. They could wax you. They could do it for you. This product works. It's good. I recommend you buying it. And plus, like, if you ever, I wouldn't recommend pouring the whole thing, the whole wax beads in here, because it's gonna be too much. I would say to like gradually start off with a little bit, and then if you see you need to like add more, then gradually adding more to it. Don't pour the whole thing, because you're gonna be wasting wax, and you don't want to reuse wax. That's very unsanitary if you do that. So don't reuse it. And it's very easy to clean, because the first night I was trying to decide how to clean it. I looked online. It was like, oh, get oil and waxing oil from Sally's and stuff. I'm like, I'm not gonna spend money to clean something. So like, I just left this, like the rest of the wax in it, and then I guess it just hardened, and then I just finally just took it out, and it just came out. So it's very easy to clean. So I guess in my opinion, you would just probably, you just need to like, just like rub it, and then they all come off. It's very easy to clean and stuff. So I would recommend this product if you can take the pain of waxing yourself at home. If you can't, then you go by me and go to European Wax Center, Unicate Wax, any place that you go to the wax. But this is a very good product. I would recommend you to buy this. This was from Amazon. They have a store on Amazon. So like, I'll put like the link in the box in the bottom, and like from here it says the company, like, when you go on Amazon, it has like the name of the company on top. It says Z Moon, but I will put like the whole information in the box in the bottom, and then everything that you need to know how to purchase. It's only $27.99 or $28, so it really is not that much. And if you ever run out of waxing beads, they have waxing bead all over Amazon. So you don't have to use, I'm guessing you don't have to use the same exact wax bead that they have here. If you run out, you could just buy different wax beads on Amazon, and they also sell it much cheaper on AliExpress too. So yeah, but shipping will take longer. But yeah, as I said, this was a quick video. This video was long overdue. So I wanted to get this out and everything, and you know, get it up and have y'all, you know, watching, get your take on my review on the product. As I said, I recommend this product and stuff. If you have any, you know, questions or concerns, you know, just leave it down in the box in the comments below. I'll be able to answer. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Make me feel like I want, yeah.